Today's good soup, it is gonna be sinigang.
Auntie
Leila, can I get some sinigang, please?
Get it yourself. You cooked it. Come on. What do you got?
We'll take some collars. Thank you, sir.
I'm
This is
like,
where you get
okay,
it all?
I'm in a hurry. This is where I get my
All right.
produce.
Me
I
too.
usually get my tomatoes and stuff, but I have a lot of tomatoes he brought over this morning. Sam, what kind of fish is this one here? I got a couple of them in there.
Lingcod.
Okay, so lingcod collars, just 2 pieces in there. And then, of course, the king salmon.
Beautiful.
So,
Wow, you're spoiling us today. All right, so what are we doing first?
we're going to put things together. So, we're going to put everything in there.
You need all this
jalapeno
chopped?
included.
Does it matter what size? How do you
Doesn't
like it
matter.
chopped? And is this a yellow onion?
That's a yellow onion.
Okay.
From Uncle Mikey, of course.
From Uncle Mikey at Frank's Produce.
Yes, my favorite produce guy.
And do you bring the water up to a boil first?
Not until you put the fish in. So with the vegetables, we'll just like while you're waiting for the water to boil, just start throwing everything in there. Your onions.
It's so slippery.
So fancy.
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 Fancy. We don't chop like you do, but
Yeah, Matt.
maybe Joy and I can learn a thing or two
we'll
from
learn
you.
from you, Matt.
I'll just come chop stuff for you every day. How's that? Do you want this in yet or no?
Yes.
Yes? Okay.
Antonio, we don't have to be here till
Onions
late tomorrow.
in.
Tomatoes.
If you want to come and chop things in the morning, no one would ever complain.
Okay. I'll just have to
Especially
get
me.
something under this so it's not slippery.
There you go.
There you
Tricks of the trade.
Okay. Tomato
tomatoes.
first or jalapeno first?
Tomatoes. You don't have to do the jalapenos. Otherwise,
Sticker
it'll
off?
be too
You want the
spicy.
sticker on or off?
Of course.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
How do you want this chopped?
Slice just like this.
Slice like that? That small?
Yeah.
Okay.
If you like it chunky, you can do chunky. You're gonna eat it, so you can cook it any way you want.
Okay.
You want it chunky? You want it sliced? Fancy.
You wanted small slices. That's what you're getting.
That's what you get. You're gonna eat it.
I started watching his videos just because I like watching him slice stuff. Way back in the beginning there.
Yeah, I was always slicing stuff. Okay, tomato in.
Yeah. Go ahead.
By the way, everybody, this is not boiling yet. We're just putting it in. All of these jalapenos?
Well, might be too much because I like to put the jalapenos in there just to kind of flavor it in, but don't slice it, it'll be spicy.
Oh, how do you want it cut then?
No, just leave it whole.
Oh, just leave it whole.
Yeah, so then you take it out later on, and this will be in one of your condiments with like fish sauce.
Got
You just
it.
slice it up, and then put your fish sauce in there. So this will be like your condiment to put on top of the fish, and then eat it all together. I'll show you later.
Okay, so,
Okay, so
jalapenos go in whole, just like that. Okay,
So if you have 4 people, you have to put 4 jalapenos, so everybody gets one.
got it. Okay.
Okay, green onions.
Some grunions. How do you want that cut?
This.
Like that?
Yeah.
Like that. Okay.
Okay, there you go. Okay.
Okay. That goes in.
And then
It's just like that.
we're gonna use 2 packages of your favorite
Is this the tamarind?
tamarind soup base.
Ooh, okay. So this is that's a tamarind soup base. Can you see that, Kenji? Yeah? That stuff? All that
Sprinkle,
goes.
sprinkle, yeah.
Oh, sprinkle. Oh,
Oh yeah, don't matter.
Sprinkle,
Okay.
toss it, whatever.
We're gonna stir it anyways, which is pretty quick. So
All right, so we're just waiting for this to come up to a boil, but that is everything in it, minus
How do you like
the
your
fish. Rinsing out the fish with some cold H2O. We've got king salmon collars and some ling cod collars because we're getting spoiled today.
it's always important to make sure that the water boils before you put the fish in, so
Gotcha.
the broth doesn't taste fishy.
Okay. We're not overloading the pot, right?
Well, yeah. I think we're just more than.
There we go. Some good old salmon collars. Oh yeah, show them, show them. So this is what Auntie chopped for us earlier, but she wanted me to chop.
Yes.
And look at this beautiful platter she made.
We'll put the cover in it so it cooks thoroughly.
Cover it up, okay?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay,
And then we
we'll just
wait like, what, 30 minutes or so?
No, this is fresh fish. Only about 10-15 minutes.
Wow, really? Okay.
Yes. And it'll taste just
10-minute
like
timer.
butter.
Okay, so now we're just covering it and we're gonna wait about 10 minutes for that guy to go. Wow, this looks
Boil.
Oh, this is gonna
nice.
be good. Matt, this one's yours, Matt.
Beautiful ling cod.
In Alaska, it's all fish head.
It's all fish head in Alaska? Hell
They
yeah.
save the collar too.
Oh.
Sammy, when
Now the greens go in. These are mustard greens, right? Mm-hmm. Okay.
all you do is dip it like this, and voila.
And that's it?
That's it. It's done.
That's the soup.
That's the soup.
All right. You know what's funny is somebody asked me to make this. I was getting poke in Bellevue, and the guy serving me the poke, he's like, I love the good soup. Can you make sinigang? And I said, okay, I'm going to go with Auntie and make it. And he already knew who you were, so it worked out.
The
Just cutting up the
that we put in
jalapeno. This is
there.
like the condiment for it.
Yes.
Yum. And that just goes in?
Oh no, you
No?
don't put it in there. It'll be too spicy. It'll be like.
Oh, you put
when
fish
you-
sauce in there. Okay.
Yeah. So put just a little bit of your favorite fish sauce.
Yum.
So you put the rice on your plate, then you put this on top.
Oh,
I'm gonna eat with you guys, huh?
yes, please.
Oh, that's yours. I put a jalapeno in there. This is yours. I'm gonna
Oh, okay.
make 1 for. Take some of the fish meat, put it on here, put this on top, and then you're good to go to eat.
All right.
Oh my goodness. That's some serious eating.
I know.
Okay.
And then this on there too?
Yeah.
Oh, yum. That's good.
Isn't it? So good.
That's comforting. That's so good.